It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2020, 2021 Upper Deck Series 2 Hockey. Obviously, this is a stunt box because it knows how to do tumbling exercises. But don't forget, somehow that was way too amusing to me. 2021 SPx. I'm giving this away. Check the details in the description below. Learn how to win it. Follow those instructions. Do it. Just do it. Also, just to point out, it's random. I put all the names into a random thing. So, like, every once in a while I see people going, oh, please give it to me. Like, that's not how you win it. You got to follow the instructions. And then you might win it. There's no guarantees. This is the most anticipated rookie cards of the year. And you know what? The Young Guns in 2021 Series 2 are actually pretty good. There's a lot of really solid Young Guns. Of course, Kaprizov and Stützle are the headliners. But there's probably, I don't know, there's probably like 8 to 10 really solid Young Guns cards you can grab out of this box here. So let's get right into it. We've already opened one of these on the channel, so I don't want to get too far into it. Of course, our Young Guns come in many different flavors. You, of course, just have the regular Young Guns, and you can get clear cuts and French versions and the high gloss and the exclusives and all kinds of different Young Guns. Travis Zajac, Pierre-Luc Dubois, Sebastian Aho. There's our first one, Keegan Colasar for the Vegas Golden Knights. Max Pacioretty, Jason Spezza, Jack Roslovic, Alexander Edler. So the last box of this, we actually pulled a Tim Stützle Young Gun. Wouldn't mind pulling a second one of those. But really, we're looking for the Kaprizov. We haven't got that one yet. Gustav Nyquist, Oscar Sundqvist, Tyler Bozak, Ben Hutton, and we've got our Peachy updates, which of course do occur in Series 2. And this is Victor Hedman, award winner. Of course, he won the Conn Smythe Trophy. Ryan Getzlaf, also the Stanley Cup. That's kind of an award, right? Jaden Schwartz and Marcus Sorensen. Kyle Connor, Jacob Vrana, Adam Gaudette. And we've got a Pius Suter, or Sutter. I'm not quite sure on the pronunciation of his name. There you go. Dominic Kubalik, Pavel Buchnevich, Rupe Hintz, and Mikhail Sergachev. Jared McCann, Jonas Brodin, Alex Chiasson. We've got a rookie portrait of Michael McNevin. Oh, and then look at that right behind that. This is one of the better Young Guns out of this class, Dylan Cousins. And that is a French Young Gun. So that is a variation, as I mentioned before. So that's super nice. Capo Caco, Sean Corrali, and Patrick Maroon. Anders Nielsen, Mike Hoffman, Clayton Keller, and we've got a Jake Ottinger portrait rookie, probably the goaltender of the future for the Stars. Eunice Korpisalo, Nico Hischier, Madison Bowie, and Andrei Burakovsky. Joel Armia. Actually, it's Joel Armia. I'm American. Adam Henrique, Henry Yokiharu, Jack Hughes, Upper Deck portrait rookie Michael DiPietro for the Canucks. Nicholas Backstrom, Valerie Nichushkin, Ivan Barbashev. Connor Hellebuck, Marc-Andre Fleury, Johnny Hockey. We've got Morgan Geekie, rookie portrait update. Not an update, just a rookie portrait. Zach Aston Reese, Mackenzie Blackwood, Brendan Lemieux, and Dennis Goranov. Curious, so they put out the extended series, which Upper Deck is saying it's not Series 3, but the base cards continue to count up from Series 1 and Series 2. Is anybody looking to put together like the full set? A lot of cards. Travis Dermott, Ian Cole, Brendan Smith, and looks like we got another young gun. We got Mason Marchment for the Florida Panthers. You get used to like these portrait shots, like if you're opening the extended series, because there's a lot of them like that, because quite a few of those guys never even made it into an NHL game yet. Nick Paul, Jake Virtanen, Derek Ryan, and Andrew Mangiapane. Brian Rust, Anton Khudobin, Andrei Svechnikov, and we've got a marquee rookie update of Stuart Skinner for your Edmonton Oilers. Now with bonus Duncan Keith. Zdeno Chara, the Series 2 checklist, which is Austin Matthews and EP40, Sean Walker, and Dumo. Robbie Fabry, Jacob Slavin, Ryan Johansson. Looks like we got another young gun here. Cam Fowler. We've got John Leonard for the Sharks. I was just looking to see where he's from. He's from New Jersey, an American-born player. Frederick Anderson, Jamie Benn, and Vladimir Tarasenko, rumored to be on the outs with St. Louis. Maybe he's getting traded. Maybe to your favorite team. Carl Hagelin, Austin Matthews, Robin Lehner, Jake Muzzin, and we've got an O-Pee-Chee update, marquee rookie of Philip Broberg. Dustin Brown, Josh Bailey, and Vladislav Gavrikov. Claude Giroux, got Andreas Athanasiou, Jordan Greenway. We've got our first canvas. It's going to be Blake Wheeler. Zegmas Jurgensons, Mackenzie Weegar, Joel Farabee, and the Hammer. Anthony Cirelli, Victor Olofsson, Patrick Kane. We've got a Connor McDavid canvas. Richard Panik, Chandler Stevenson, and Andrew Kopp. Warren Fogle, Darren Helm, Sam Steele, and we've got a Dazzlers of Peyton Krebs. That's become a really big insert set with it being in Series 1, Series 2, and Extended Series. And we've got a Young Guns canvas of Joel Kiviranta. Always nice to pull a Young Gun canvas card. Kim Atkinson, Brad Hunt, and Yaroslav Halak. Adam Pellich, Matthias Ekholm, Seth Jones, probably on his way out of Columbus, Jesper Bratt, and we've got Chase Prisky for the Florida Panthers, Anthony Beauvillier, Chris Tierney, and Nathan. When you cover up the Joe, I'm like, who's Nathan Huberdeau? It's Jonathan Huberdeau, of course. Never heard of Nathan Huberdeau. Terry Lekkinen, Brett Connolly, Alexander Nylander, Nick Schmaltz, and we've got a young gun of Anthony Angelo for the Penguins. David Kampf, Jesperi Kotkaniemi, and JVR. Justin Falk, Kevin LeBlanc, Filipino. We've got a canvas of Sean Couturier, Vince Dunn, Jonathan Quick, Marcus Pettersson, and Joel Eriksson Ek. Next few weeks of NHL news should be pretty exciting with the expansion draft coming up. And then free agency starting. Logan Couture, Carey Price, Brad Marchand, Anton Strawman, and we've got a pink dazzler of Josh Norris. Rasmus Anderson, Mike Smith, and Scott Lawton. Ryan Pulock, Miro Heiskanen, Andre Palat, Jacob Voracek, marquee rookie of Joel Kiviranta, Elias Pettersson, Patrick Laine, and Cody Glass. David Krejci, Nikita Kucherov, Thomas Chabot, Antoine Roussel, and Igor Zamula, marquee rookie. Dr. Dre, Justin Holl, and Ryan Graves, now a New Jersey Devil. Pekka Rinne, Chris Kreider, Radek Faksa, Michael Amadio. We've got Joseph Woll, a retro rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Mark Giordano, Michael Kempney, and Ilya Mikheyev. Tyler Bertuzzi, Pierre-Edouard Bellemare, Andrei Vasilevsky. Oh, and we've got, this is nice, fluorescence of Ilya Sorokin, one of the better rookies out of this young gun class. Really nice. Antti Ranta, Valtteri Filppula, Jordan Stahl, and that wonderful Whalers gear, and Roman Josi. Sean Monahan, Milan Lucic, Evgeni Kuznetsov, Ryan Reeves, and we've got a retro rookie from O-Pee-Chee of Ryan McLeod, Drake Batherson, Tyler Johnson, and Sam Reinhart. Final pack. Brady Tkachuk, OEL. Got Matthew Barzal, and we've got a blue parallel marquee rookie of Michael McNevin. Ethan Bear, Ryan Hartman, Derek Brassard, and Dante Fabro. Overall, I think that was a pretty good box. We've got our French variation young gun, we got a canvas young gun, we got a fluorescence. So, thumbs up for this box of 2021 Upper Deck Hockey Series 2. Anyway, don't forget about the contest description. Read it. Enter the contest. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.